Crude oil and natural gas, where crude oil trades sideways, net gas is traded bearish and it has achieved lows at 1.83. In the morning update, I have mentioned you to sell at 1.87 and expect it to drop more. Likewise, oil traded in a no trade zone. 76.6 was the buying entry, and how beautifully see 76.6 has given a resistance to oil, while see net gas on the downside it is not even breached $76 levels, which was a selling entry for oil. So what to expect now from the US session from crude oil and net gas? Can we expect a reversal in net gas? Can we expect oil to also trade bullish? What is going to be our strategy? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every action matters to me a lot, and it's a great motivation. And yes, do join the channel memberships. Let's start first. We look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. If you look at the oil on the hourly charts, double top is seen, and it is trying to trade with slight bearish bias. But at the same time, you can find out the support from the 20 period moving average at 76.75.8 is very, very strong. Now, only below 75.8, we can expect it to trade bearish, where we can look forward to 75.5, 75.3 zone, first support zone. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has also crossed over at the peak, trying to look downwards, trying to trade bearish. RSI coming out of the over. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts, trading sideways after a bull run. It is not willing to drop here. A possible retracement towards 75.5, 75.3, but right now it is not showing much signs of a bearishness. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. Right now it is still in green and it has traveled a good distance, a V-shaped recovery. So possible slight downside movement cannot be denied. RSI coming out of the overbought levels here. Coming to 3 hour. Similar observation. Yes, the resistance and the double top levels are intact. We have to wait for it to break below 76, 75.8 levels, which will take it further down towards 75.5, 75.3 as the first target. Then 74.9 and 74.5 is the next. Stochastic looking down. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is staying near to the overbought zone. Now look at the 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, observe the movement here. See, after the rise, it has retraced with smaller bearish candles. Then it tried to move upwards, failed to break beyond 76.6. It is just confining its movement within the zone. Yes, any move above 76.6, we can look forward to 76.9, 77.2 zone, first resistance zone, and then 70. Beyond 77.2, this time I will be looking forward to 78 levels as the next targets. Moving averages crossing over here. Prices are trading with little divergence, making 75, 74.5 is a greater support zone. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought levels. MACD is in green. It can converge, but it is not yet showing any signs of it. RSI has just come out of the overbought levels. Coming to now, look at daily charts. What it has done, a megaphone pattern, double top. It may try to retrace a little from here. That is the one possibility you should look at. Yes, if you see trading below 76, 75.8, we can initiate a selling entry here. Expect it to move towards 75.3, 75.5 as the first targets, and then on the downside 74.9, 74.5 as the next targets. Yes, possibility of slight bearishness exists, but you have to trade with caution. As long as it respects the level, we have to be taking an entry only at the entry levels, that is 75.8. On the upside, a buying entry at 76.6 can be taken. Above 76.6, 76.9, 77.2 is the first target zone, and then we can look forward to this time 78. Yes, but only entry is above 76.6. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and also be part of the platform forexfunda.com, where you get all the market related information along with news and the community of traders, and also you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. So do visit the platform. Now let's have a look at natural. First, natural gas have appeared to be hit a bottom, and it has shown a reversal sign. Since then it is trying to rise. It is trying to retrace a bit. 1.88, 1.92 is the zone we should watch out for. Only and only if it breaks these two levels, we can consider that it is trying to reverse and a rise can be expected. Yes, looking at the movement right now, looking at the reversal sign, it appears gas is bound to rise or retrace a bit. The stochastic is also rising. It has come out of the oversold zone. MACD crossing over here, signs of bullishness. RSI also coming out of the oversold levels here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, a reversal sign, and see the 20 period moving average is sitting at around 1.91 levels, which is going to be an achievable level, because see, whenever we have seen net gas divergent or the price is divergent from the 20 period, it has always tried to converge, and thus this could be one of the possibilities that it could try to move towards 1.9, 1.91. Stochastic oversold, trying to come out of it. MACD is extremely bearish, trying to converge a bit and crossover. It means a little retracement on the upside. RSI oversold. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. Flat bottom in the preceding candle. It is trying to retrace a bit. And yes, beyond 1.1, 1.87 levels, if you see the lower price above 1.87, you can initiate a buying entry. You can expect it to move towards 1.9, 1.92 zone, first resistance zone, and then in fact we can look forward to 1.9495 as the next targets. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold, trying to come out of it. MACD is trading extremely bearish. It may converge crossover. RSI is oversold. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts here. And yes, the prices are also divergent from the moving average. It can try to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI oversold. So yes, on all the indicators it is oversold, but we need to wait for it to give a breakup on the upside. Now yes, when we can enter beyond 1.87 is the only level above which you can initiate a buying entry, where we can look forward to 1.995 zone as the next targets, and these are achievable. If you look at a stochastic, this is oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. RSI is oversold. Thus, a potential recovery cannot be denied, and a selling entry is now only below 1.83. As long as gas stays above 1.83, I will not recommend you to sell. It means that the lows or the bottom for the day is done. That is what is my expectation, and I will expect it to continue with the slight bullish bias, but then it has to break beyond 1.9, 1.92 zone in order to confirm reversal and a rise towards 1.9. On the downside, below 1.83, we can expect it to move towards 1.8 as a very, very strong support level. And I think that the lows for the day are done and potential recovery is on the cards. But you have to trade with caution. Do not trade between 1.83 and 1.87 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, visit the platform FOREX and do join the free Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank